How to remove a Google account from Android phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to remove one of the Google account from your Android phone, then here's this step-by-step guide of how you can do this. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so not to remove a Google account, simply go and open up the settings app from your phone, and from the settings you just need to scroll down and find out the Google option. And once you get the Google option, go and tap on the Google and you'll get to see the Google services. And if you tap on the Google account at the very top, this is going to show you all the Google account that you have logged in on your device so far. Now if you want to remove the current or other Gmail account from your device, you'll get to see the manage account on this device option. You can tap on this, and inside this one you'll get to see all the Gmail that you have logged in your device so far, and then go and select the Gmail account that you want to remove from your device, and then go and tap on the remove account, and then go and tap on remove account, and the account will be immediately removed from your device. But sometime it might ask you to enter the password, so you can go through the process and the account will be removed from your device. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.